What do you want? What do you want? Don't stare. Oh, fucking shit. Alright, come here, come here, come here. Shit, damn it, go. Get the fuck out. My glasses. Hello and welcome to the Jonah the Gator Show, the series, episode 3. My name is Jonah and welcome to the Jonah the Gator Show, the series. And last episode,
wait, stop.
And last episode, I said that we are gonna order online, but we're not gonna order in any online store. No, no, no. Shopee, fuck that. Lazada, fuck that. Craigslist, And now we're gonna order this toaster oven. And order. Now, management, how long is this gonna? Hello, Jonah again here, and today, fuck you. Hello, I'm Jonah, and today we have this toast here, and it was bigger than I expected it to be. That's what she said. And today we are going to make shit in the this tray and this clicky thing. I'm not sure what it's used for, but it's probably for anal. And now with are we sure we got the right thing? Well, you better answer me right now, because no one likes to help around here. Jesus Christ. And anyway, this seems to be a really, really bad oven. Now, I'm just gonna leave this shit here and throw these back. And that will be all for this episode. See you tomorrow. Bye.